Hi guys, welcome back. We are at the beach. We're in Daytona. We're skipping school today. I'm such a good mom. And I forgot my cover up in the car, so my lips hurt. I was blowing up Caleb's thing. I gotta go to the car and get my other cover up because I forgot it. And I knew I was forgetting something, but I still left my bag. Alright, you coming, babe? I had to bribe him to come with me. He doesn't want someone to steal me, right, honey?
It's life.
Would they return me?
Yeah, they have fun.
5 minutes. No, they'll return me because I'm annoying. Baby, come here. If I catch you looking at a girl,
we're at the beach. I'm supposed to look at
your eyeballs out. I'm gonna poke them out.
We're at the beach. I'm supposed to look at buns.
Yeah, the only buns you're gonna look at is the hot dog buns and my buns.
No?
Matter of fact, take off your glasses.
Yeah, right. That's my eyes.
He's joking, guys. Not really, but I like to think he is.
Did you get the keys?
Yes, I did. Normally the answer would be no, but I got the keys. I got the keys, the keys.
No beers out here. Yeah, you go to the beach, you get a beer.
They're annoying. When I tell you this sand is hot, yes, honey, is hot. Look, guys, look at the foolery I got to deal with. He spends all this money on sneakers and then he wears them to the beach. And watch him say they're no longer
What's the sense
good.
of spending money if you can't wear it? I wear it anywhere. I'll go rock climbing.
This is our setup. So we just decided to go to the beach this last night, really. We got donuts and hot dogs and sandwiches, chips, other snacks over there, melted popsicles. How many of those have you had?
6.
He sat here and ate pretty much the whole box.
Who's gonna stop?
I see you. Probably later. Get up, get up, get up! Why you jacked her up like that? Girl! She swallowed that salty water. She's like, bump this, I'm leaving. Get up! Oh my gosh, she's dangerous. Ah! She's like, okay, you can pick me back up. Get in the water. You want me to blow up another floaty?
Yeah, of course. Because Levi's walking the whole thing.
So So go get it. I have 2 more.
You may go for them?
No, I can blow it up for you.
That's okay.
Look at the video! You see what I'm trying to be cute?
Where my change at?
Why would you put $50?
I went 10 over my 10.
Over 10, you know? It's not easy, man. Every
Don't
day,
drop them.
living life.
If you do, we gotta rinse them.
Can't look. I don't know
Mine's
what
is
you're talking about.
185, but I'm at 180 right now.
What it said it didn't have no gum in that. I have gum in mine.
He do got gum in his. He got
Don't
2
drop
gums.
them.
I got only one. I got 2.
He has 2 too.
What up?
Can't leave the beat, guys. You want ice cream, guys? Yeah.
I don't got any eyes.
Why are you yelling?
I think she wants to get up.
Get down.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
She is
This is
living
so
her
good.
best life.
Daddy, you are the best. Give me more, Daddy. Get the fingers, get the fingers. Oh my God, Daddy. That is so good. I see you, girl. I see you, girl. You doing it up over there.
Sophie's like, 1 bite for you, 2 for me. 1 for you.
I'm watching you, old man.
Yeah, he's weird, right?
Tough.
You want to take your toys, right?
He's old to take toys. As soon as Mama gets it, as soon as they're gonna get in, right?
What?
Y'all are gonna go in. You guys know where the chips are? Yeah, they're right there.
Boys, be careful. You go look at your
I
toys.
want the red one with the waffles.
And once you
I do with the Lay's cream.
Come here.
I spit out.
Well, guys, I know I look crazy, but I just took a shower, washed my hair. The twins took a shower, and they're knocked out, I'm sure, in their rooms. I am working on school stuff, and I won't be going to bed for a long time. But I want to go ahead and close out this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave me a comment down below. Love you guys. Bye.